Hello Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, November 18th. As of Wednesday morning, we have one more new case to report today, which brings our total number of active on-island cases to 13. One case is in the hospital, and all are in isolation. Today's new case is a male resident who participated in the state Safe Travels program with a negative test result but took a voluntary post-travel test which was positive. Our cumulative Kauai case count is now 95, including 85 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 9 positive cases diagnosed elsewhere since they had positive tests taken on the mainland but results were not received until they were on Kauai. There are 66 individuals in Health Department directed quarantine. The Kauai Police Department and the National Guard are tracking approximately 1,800 individuals in travel-related quarantine. For additional information on our COVID cases, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. In view of the increasing case numbers, our Kauai Emergency Management Team has made 2 proposals to the Governor. Emergency Rule 21 would require travelers who wish to avoid quarantine to receive a second negative test 3 days or more after arrival, with a mandatory quarantine until proof of a negative post-travel test. Rule 21 would apply to both inter-island and mainland travelers. It is similar to Rule 18, which we proposed in September but was denied. Emergency Rule 22 would require travelers participating in the Safe Travels program to upload their pre-travel test result prior to flying. We have confirmed 9 cases since October 15th of travelers who flew here without their test results and then received a positive result after they arrived on island. This means they could have unknowingly exposed others to the virus while flying and during their time on island. This is a dangerous gap in the current Safe Travels program that we would like to fix. As of this morning, we still have not received a formal response from the Governor's office on these requests, which were sent up on Monday afternoon. However, we have heard feedback shared during recent media interviews, and it appears unlikely that our rules will be approved. We are hopeful we will receive the response soon and will share that publicly as we are updated. Our Kauai Incident Management Team feels strongly that we are at a critical juncture where swift, decisive action is needed, but our authority as mayor is limited and ultimately it requires the approval of the Governor. We will continue to press for bold, common-sense solutions to keep our county open and allow us to remain in Tier 4. Our ultimate goal is to avoid overrunning our healthcare capacity and to avoid a full shutdown of our economy. The second post-travel test with a short 3-day quarantine seems to be the best compromise to ensure a truly safe travel program. As we have said, we do not want to opt out of Safe Travels. We know this will be detrimental to many of our small businesses, but if the state is unwilling to require travelers to take simple precautions, we cannot continue to support the Lieutenant Governor's current travel program as is. Requiring travelers to have a negative test before they land is clear and simple requirement, and we will continue to push for that outcome. The County of Kauai, in partnership with the Hawaii State Department of Health, will provide free COVID-19 community testing at rotating sites every Sunday through the end of the year. Last Sunday, November 15th, we tested 413 residents at our Kapa'a site. We expect results of those tests by the end of the week. Earlier this month, we tested 194 people at Vidina Stadium, which resulted in 2 positive cases, but one of the individuals had already been identified as a case. These tests are targeted for those who work closely with visitors, but tests are available to all residents for free, including those who are uninsured. Testing is available every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. through December 27th. Participants should register in advance at kauai.gov/test. Bring your registration confirmation and an ID to the testing site. Test results are expected in 3 to 5 days. The next 2 testing sites will be this Sunday, November 22nd at Hanapepe Stadium and November 29th back at Vidina Stadium. Save at least 15 minutes of wait time by pre-registering at kauai.gov/test. As an important reminder, these tests are not part of the state's pre-travel testing program and cannot be used for quarantine exemptions. For those who are visiting or recently returned home from mainland travel, post-travel testing is available. This program is free for residents. Please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on one of the post-travel testing buttons. To qualify for a post-travel test, you must have participated in the state's pre-travel test program. If you have not participated in the state's pre-travel testing program, there is no option to test out of quarantine once you arrive. Again, for more information on the county's post-travel testing program, visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the post-travel test button. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.